Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Elgato Facecam MK.2, a webcam designed with streamers in mind. Whether you're new to streaming or looking to upgrade your setup, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's get into the details. The Elgato Facecam MK.2 is all about delivering professional-grade performance at an accessible price point. It boasts a 1/2.5 Sony STA-RVIS CMOS sensor paired with Elgato's prime lens optics, ensuring crisp, detailed Full HD video at 60 frames per second. This makes it ideal not just for streaming, but also for video calls, content creation, and more. First impressions matter, and the Facecam MK.2 impresses with its sleek and versatile design. It features a compact form factor with a matte finish that feels solid and premium. The camera can be easily mounted on a variety of setups, from monitors to tripods, thanks to its 1x4-inch thread compatibility. Let's talk performance. Out of the box, the Facecam MK.2 delivers excellent picture quality even in challenging lighting conditions. Thanks to its FB-wide 2.4 aperture and advanced AI-driven noise reduction. Whether you're streaming gameplay or hosting a virtual meeting, the camera consistently delivers sharp details and vibrant colors. One of the standout features of the Facecam MK.2 is its customization options. With Elgato's Camera Hub software, users can tweak settings to their liking and save them directly to the camera's built-in flash memory. This means you can switch between different setups without losing your preferred settings, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or even a Chromebook. In conclusion, the Elgato Facecam MK.2 sets a new standard for what a streaming webcam can offer. It combines top-tier image quality, versatile design, and user-friendly customization options all at an attractive price point. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, this webcam is definitely worth considering to elevate your streaming setup. That wraps up our review of the Elgato Facecam MK.2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about this webcam or if there's anything else you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.